And of course, let's not forget about the college students because they're heading back to campus, right? So, are you wondering how to maybe make the most of that tiny dorm room space? Because they are tiny.
So tiny.
Surprise, surprise, kids. Tiny. Our event and lifestyle expert, Jamie O'Donnell of Jamie O & Co. joining us. She's got some simple do-it-yourself dorm room hack solutions to get you started on the right foot. And I really, because I got to move my daughter in on Saturday.
I know,
they
it's
picked
so
me for this because I got to do it on Saturday. And I really thought, okay, well, we'll unpack her bedroom and move it into the dorm room. No. Sorry, Dad. Lesson number one.
No,
we're buying all new stuff. Yay. Okay.
Absolutely.
So what do we have here?
So I have some easy and affordable DIY dorm hacks to kind of help you maximize that small space.
Okay.
So in mine, I always had like the mini fridge, and
I got the mini fridge.
Yep.
We bought the mini fridge.
Perfect.
Yeah.
You have to have the mini
Got
fridge.
that.
So this is a great hack to organize all of your snacks, so you don't have like tons of boxes and stuff piled up everywhere. This is just a shoe holder. You can buy this for less than $10, and then you put this on the back of your actual dorm door, and then you can organize all your snacks, like your granola bars, your coffee, your hot chocolate, all of that stuff right in here, and it just hangs right on your door.
It's perfect.
Yep.
Yeah, and you
Keeps
can
you organized.
see everything that you want, too.
Exactly.
Okay.
For those midnight snacks when you're studying.
And this is a note for your roommate?
Yeah, so you don't
Clean up.
Exactly. Many of those. You don't actually have to go out and buy a whiteboard. If you have an extra photo frame lying around, you can actually just write right on the glass, and then, you know, it just comes
wipes right off.
Yep, so you don't even have to go out and buy a whiteboard. You can just use a photo frame if you have one.
Good thinking. That's smart.
Now, I don't know about you, but I always had the top bunk in my dorm. Did you have bunk beds?
These are side to side.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I mean, you know, on either side of the room.
Well, this will work if you have a bunk bed or if you have, like, don't have a side table. So you can actually go to the home and garden store, and this is like a window box flower plant holder.
Okay, I got you.
So this was like $8.99, super affordable, and this you can hang off the end of your bed, and then just buy a tray to set in this, and you can actually run just a little electrical outlet to, especially if you're in your top bunk. Like, I was always sleeping with like books and my phone and stuff under my pillows, so this is just a great way to get organized, where you don't have to keep running up and down, or again, if you don't have a side table.
Okay.
So this all, and the tray and this cost maybe $15.
This little cube thing is really smart because they're charging more than one thing at a time. You know what I mean?
Exactly, and it has the USB plus the normal plug, so you can charge all your devices.
That's really clever. I want one of those.
I know, right?
Yeah.
So this is another great trick. If you don't have a side table, but your bed happens to be by the corner, you can actually
visualizing right now.
You can actually use a magazine holder and just flip it on its side, and then use.
Smart.
Yep. Then you just use the adhesive, like the removable adhesives.
Oh, okay.
And put it and stick it right in the corner, and then you just make yourself your own little side table to hold your glasses or your phone or anything like that.
Yeah.
So again, like probably under $5 to do that.
But you don't put the adhesive up on the wall because that's not going to hold for
Well, you
forever.
put the ones that pull out, like that are the removable ones, so you don't damage the wall. So just stick those onto the side of this and press it up into the corner, and you'll make yourself a little side table. Yep.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yep. I mean, you don't probably want to put all your textbooks in there.
Sure.
And then here's just another trick too. You can repurpose a silverware holder. You can just, again, use the removable hooks that hang on the wall. And you can put this right by your door. So all the things that you use running in and out, like your keys, your ID, your sunglasses, you could keep those organized right by the door of your dorm.
Yeah, and all these things are one less thing to think about because you know you're going to be thinking about whatever class 101, right?
Exactly. And again, I think that was maybe $6 or $7.
Okay.
So another thing too is space is a premium and makeup is everywhere. So just a way to organize your makeup, you can take just an actual cookie sheet. This was a $6 cookie sheet, a metal one, and then just a piece of fabric. And I actually even just safety pinned it on the back. You can either hot glue it on there, or you can, this was a no-sew project, so you can just safety pin it on the back. And then you just glue magnets to the back of your makeup. So all the things that you use daily, just keep them right there, prop it up on your dresser, and it's all organized and out of the way.
Can I add one more thing?
Yeah.
I think you would need wire and a sheet at some point in case you're stuck with a roommate that is not nearly as organized as all of this.
That does happen.
That's your side of the room. This is my side of the room.
That's right.
But neither the twain shall meet.
That's right.
Jamie, if people want to get in touch and get more, great ideas like this.
Yes, you can find all the tips and tricks on jamieo.co, and you can find me on Instagram and Twitter at jamieo&co.
Always good to see you.
So good to see you.
All right.
Happy back to school, guys.
Oh, yeah. Good luck with all that.